I had a problem with my knee about 3 years ago, and eventually over the winter it started getting worse and worse, and looking at my MRI and saw I had a meniscal tear. He then said, I'll operate on that, which will take 20 minutes, and then I'm going to send you to these great guys I know in Fulham. Had the operation, 20 minutes. I was walking without crutches out of the hospital. Came in here the following day, looked at it, it swelled down, it got better, lots of ice, took the bandages off, saw what it was, measured my knee. He was brilliant. He basically got my knee working, bent it properly, went through that whole process. After that, having weekly sessions here, come on a bicycle, he'd then look at me, help me go on the weights over there, and various other implements to get my knee strong. Now it's back to normal, fantastic. And I'm now going the process with him of getting myself strong, back and fit like I was before everything went wrong. You're friendly, you're accessible, you've got all the COVID security stuff in place. I would have no hesitation in recommending Complete. They've been fantastic. And to friends and family, and I've already recommended it to 2 people already.